Savage Design, we engineer beauty. We live to get you more excited about your lighting, door hardware, homewares and furniture. We do it ethically, sustainably and stylishly. We kept our strengths of producing products in metals, often machined, fabricated and finished by hand. Since 1910, we've built our reputation on quality manufacturing, engineering and design, as well as an exceptional customer service. Those values remain important to us as the company grows, expands and diversifies its customer base.
In 1910, my grandfather, Thomas Robert Savage, decided to start a blacksmith shop in the back streets of Newtown, Sydney. I personally took over the company in the late 70s and we have grown the business to one of the most competent metal engineering manufacturing shops in Australia. We have been operating in 4 generations as a family business today, with our long history of manufacturing and our younger creative generation trained in design, and now we produce our own range of products.
As we grew, we found it hard to consolidate data in a way that was usable and repeatable. So, we asked Havi Technology to develop a new material requirement planning MRP solution, using Odoo cloud system to better track production performance and enhance our customer relationships. Havi's experts began by understanding the end-to-end process that enabled Savage Design to achieve excellence. They recognised the complexity of how we run the business and identified exactly where we needed to customise the software to meet our requirements. Within 2 months, using Odoo, we reduced 2.5 people's scheduling time around the clock to 1.5 employees. Faster scheduling time now allows the Savage team to quickly confirm delivery dates for customers and devote more time to negotiating with our suppliers. Odoo allows the company to easily track production costs, compare changes to manufacturing techniques, set workable goals with production, discover bottlenecks and find where is the capacity within our shop. Odoo has given our sales staff a CRM that helps plan and track their days, which means less time searching and recording and more time interacting with our customers. The best thing about working with Havi is they kept the process simple. The team is very easy to deal with and issues discovered in the afternoon are often fixed by the next morning. Their technical knowledge combined with their ability to find creative solutions was outstanding. Best of all, Havi has designed the Odoo solution to flex as Savage Design changes over time. In this way, the company is set up for continual growth and fewer growing pains.
We are proud to have won the Wasabi Award for Excellence in Manufacturing in 2021, a milestone for the hard work of our innovative and expert team.
So the concept of growing Savage is to build a vertically integrated business. We start with design, we bring in the manufacturing, and then the concept is to sell our own products. The idea here is that one informs the other, and then we should be able to push our manufacturing abilities to the best, with the end of the day producing beautifully engineered products for our customers.
There's many things about working with your family that are really important. I think that Joel's growing up with the dinner table conversation around the business, around factory, has taught him a hell of a lot. You know, he's a good young lad and he tries really hard. So in that case, look, you know, it's fantastic to have him on board. It's really makes my life a lot easier, and I really respect having my son with me, and yeah, I always acknowledge that, and I hope his family get the benefits that I've got from him.
I knew how we got on with each other, probably knew a few things about how to, you know, push a few buttons, that sort of stuff, and to get my way from time to time. Yeah, enjoyed that one. But really at the end of the day, having someone that always has your back, you know, you come home or you finish up a day's work and you know, no matter what happened or whatnot, I guess they're always going to be there for you and that sort of stuff. And so having your father in the business with you, you know, that's always going to be the case.